Alright kids, let's practice exponents. Working with exponents, you need to know a few different terms. You need to know the base number and the exponent. Okay, so let's take a look at the base and what that means. The base number is usually the big number, like B base and B big. That's a good way to remember it. Okay, the bigger number is the base, and the smaller number here is the actual exponent. So we'll label those. Exponent, and this is the base number. Now, what we do is this number is going to be the main number that we're using, and this tells us how many times to multiply it by itself. So our exponent value is 3, and our base number is 2. So I'm going to rewrite it as 2 times 2 times 2. Notice I have my exponent value of 3. I have 1, 2, 3 number 2's. So now the last step is finally to multiply. I rewrote the base number 3 times because that's what my exponent value is, and I need to multiply it. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now I need to bring down the rest of the problem. So I'm going to take 4 times 2. And we know 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 2 to the third power is 8. Let's try another example. Okay? My next example, we'll make one up. Let's do 3 to the fourth power. This one's a little bit more difficult. What's the base number here? If you said 3, you are absolutely correct. The big base number is 3, and the exponent would then be, yes, the 4 right here. The smaller number is the exponent. Okay, let's rewrite it. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now, some of you are probably trying to solve this problem right now, and you're saying 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27, and now you're thinking, man, what's 27 times 3? But I have an easier way for you to solve this. We can group them. We can say that 3 times 3 is actually equal to 9, so this is also equal to 9. And now I can take 9 times 9 equals 81. So 3 to the fourth power is equal to 81. Alright, now for a couple practice problems. Turn it over this way. Let's practice with some exponents. Okay, so first one we have here is 5 to the second power. Now, when I rewrite this, I'm going to write 5 times 5. Which number is the base number? That's right, the 5 is the base number. The 2 exponent just tells me how many times to write that 5. Okay, and the product or the answer of this problem would then be equal to 25. Okay, next example we have here 4 to the power of 3, or the third power. I'm going to rewrite it first. 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, now I'm going to try to solve it. 4 times 4 is 16. And I need to bring the rest of this down, the multiplication sign as well as my last factor of 4. 16 times 4 is, you got it, 64. So 4 to the third power is 64. Alright, now I'm going to write one for you, and you need to try to put it in exponent form. So, let's take a look at this one. 6 times 6 times 6. How would I write this number as an exponent? First I need to determine what the base, or the bigger number is. Yeah, that's right, 6. And how many times do we see that 6? Because that will tell us what the exponent is. 1, 2, 3. So our exponent is a small 3 at the upper right corner of our base number, or the bigger number. Well, hope this helped you out. See ya!